Hey, I want to show y'all this real quick though, but like, see my teeth? I got good teeth, I got a confident smile, but I was looking online probably like a month ago, just, messing around, but came across these little things, these little pop-on veneers on Facebook. It popped up. But let me see. I got it yesterday, come in this little blue case right here. They send you the mold, you bite down on it, whatever, ship it back out to them. And they send it back to you like 2 weeks. Let me show you real quick. They got 3 shades too. You can go like a mature tan, natural white, or Hollywood. I was like, shit, give me the Hollywood. I'm just messing around. Give me the Hollywood. Show y'all something real quick. So they come in there, so you mold, they come back to you like this. Hold. See if you in this little package when you get them back. Real quick, just pop them in. No, at the top and the bottom, look. Hollywood, man, Hollywood, look at that. Hey, it got me feeling like plies, you know what I mean? That, man, Hollywood, man. And you can eat with them. So if you know somebody, who need them, you don't want to go spend like $9,000, $5,000 for the veneers, get y'all some of these, man. Hey, y'all see me in my Hollywood shit, man. Mind your business, man. Hey, I'm just, spreading love. Hollywood, man. I'm Hollywood right now.